Hi, this is Jackie. Welcome to Jackie Burns Creations. Today I'm making a red truck wreath with a trailer. So I've got the truck. You need a truck. You need a trailer. If you can still find them, 18-inch wreath. And all these things I got at Dollar Tree. And this loop yarn, I got this at Michael's. When I picked it up, it was on sale. So check and see if you can find it someplace on sale. I need a couple of pipe cleaners, my glue gun, just cutting the tags off. I'm trying to line these up on the wreath to see where it would fit best. Got a pipe cleaner. I'm going to glue it down. Cut it off a little piece of the big popsicle sticks you can get at Walmart. I'm going to put glue on it and use it to reinforce the back of the pipe cleaner so it doesn't come off. Now, like anybody, I'm trying to figure this out and how this is going to go on there just right. Hook down the pipe cleaner. Turn it over and think, nah, it's a little too far in for me. Crafting trial and error. Yep, get that tag off there. Well, let's see, maybe if I put a little bit of glue here and hold it in place, maybe that will work. And I can hook down the pipe cleaner. And as you'll notice later on, I don't use the pipe cleaner in this location. It's a little bit too far back. But I'll tell you, putting that down with the glue and that stick, it sure held it in place. Had to cut it off. Okay, let's see, is this gonna fit? A little bit of glue here. Well, didn't quite hold the way I wanted it to. So redoing the truck. Now I've got the truck in place and I'm tightening down the pipe cleaner. just to give it some extra security with the glue. Okay, now we'll try again with the trailer camper. I noticed everybody calls it camper, but out here we call these trailers. Camper is one that fits on a truck. Oh well, call it whatever you want. Tomato, tomato. Okay, now I'm putting a lot of glue down to make sure it stays in place. If a little bit of glue will work, then a whole bunch of glue works even better. Okay, got the trailer in place, the truck in place. Now I'm going to start wrapping. Flip it over. Move it down just a little bit so it covers all the wire. Take a little bit of glue to hold it down. Yeah, grab that thing so you don't burn yourself. Cinch a little bit down here in the back so it covers the wires. And when you're going around, you can put it on fairly tightly, but as you're going around, mush it down. So it really makes it tight. It really makes it thick in there. See how I'm pushing that down? Round and round. Okay, you guys don't want to watch me go round and round. Now I noticed on my second roll that it was getting a little bit hung up on everything, so I went and wrapped it in a ball. So it was just coming unraveled so I can get a little bit control over it. Okay, just doing the last part here. Now the very last part is getting right up to the trailer, and I'm going to go up as far as I can. And you notice there's some wires that you can still see. So what I'm going to do is just take and glue it down. So I'm just pulling that over a little bit and wrapping it under just the first row of wire. That took a little bit just to wrap it under the first wire. Goes much faster when you're doing all three. So I'm just coming to the very edge. I'm going to cut it off and glue it down. And glue it down some more. Need those glue sticks in there. I think I'll spruce up this tree a little bit and put a few berries on there. Now, I got these picks at Dollar Tree. They're really cute. They've got poinsettias in them and everything. All I have to do is just shove them in. It's so thick in there. I just need to fluff the picks out a little bit. And just pull them down and arrange them. They've got some pine cones in there, a little fern. And just shove it underneath there. Gives it a little bit more color, a little more Christmassy. I looked at the back, but there was really no place to hook them down, so I think they'll stay okay. Okay, fluff that out. There. It's all done. What do you think? I think it came out pretty darn cute. Now here it is hanging up, and I think it looks very cute. I might have to arrange the top a little bit more, but thank you for watching, and come back another day.